Dear, respect to farmers. This is Fu, pharmacist of Fangtong Animal Pharmaceuticals. Today's topic: can a cattle farm and a sheep farm be located closely together? Some farmers told me that they rear cattle and cow. Due to the long life cycle of these animals, they rear some sheep and goats at the same time. Because life cycle of sheep and goats is short, so they can sell sheep and goats quickly, using return money to compensate the long-standing investments on cattle. Generally speaking, cattle and sheep or goats should not be reared together. Why? Because both of them are ruminants. They have some disease in common. Cattle have stronger immunity against the disease. Clinically, a few diseases need to be concerned on them. However, there are at least 30 different kinds of disease on sheep or goats. There is risks of transmission of disease if you put them together. If you have to, you must attach great importance on disinfection and vaccination. I always emphasize that disinfection and vaccination not only determine you make money or not make money, but determine your farm to be or not to be. I'm a pharmacist. I always say that the important thing is not medicine, but management. I cannot imagine you are profitable if morbidity and mortality occurs on your farm from time to time and always. I think the distance between two farms should be at least 200 meters, although no need for physical partition. You need to do disinfection frequently. Rear them together like this is not recommended. Next topic, I would like to talk how to do disinfection. Thanks for watching. See you next time.